Okay, so here's how you're going to track and report your calories for this week. I'm going to use my Fitness Pal. It's in the top left corner. And this is the dashboard. I already entered all the food in the diary, so here's the diary. Here's the breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. You want to make sure that this week you are weighing the protein, so like this chicken breast, usually on a food scale, and all the dry ingredients, measuring cups usually work pretty well. Try to be as accurate as possible because the entire point of this week is for you to learn so that you don't have to track it anymore. Also, if you look at the top where it says food, under calories remaining. The food is how many calories I've actually consumed. You want to get that number as close to your core concept goal, daily calorie goal as possible. You want to get within 200 calories of your goal. And we don't really want to worry about the goal on your app because we use the Staiku to get a better goal for you specifically. So you'll want to screenshot this and send it in. You can also go to more at the bottom right where the three dots are. You can click on that. You can go to nutrition and it will also show you the breakdown for the calories. So let's start tracking this week. If you have any questions, let us know in your Go Time group.